Hi everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today, I'll show you how to change your Vagaro theme on Vagaro Pro. Changing your Vagaro theme lets you change the look and feel of your business's software. Let's start customizing our Vagaro theme on Vagaro Pro. Select More, Settings, and under Look and Feel, select Themes. Under the Appearance menu, we can change the appearance of your display to show as light mode, dark mode, or, depending on your device's settings, system settings. We can also change the theme color from Flamingo to Candy Pink to Lilac or even Java. Any changes you make on Vagaro Pro will be device specific. Once you've made your desired changes, select Done. You've now changed your Vagaro theme. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.